When you walk out of the door at my shop, I have this posted at eye level. It's been there for quite some time. I don't really know if anybody reads it or not, but if you don't pay attention to that, or when you go to a tire store, this can happen to you. See those broken studs? I'm going to give you more of an explanation right after this. Hey, Joe here. So we're going to talk about the importance of having your lug nuts retorqued after wherever you bring it, where the wheels have been taken off, that you come back when they recommend that you come back to have your wheels torqued. I'm going to show you why. So I just showed you these broken studs. They came off a Subaru. Customer called me up, said, hey, I got a weird noise coming from the back of my car. I said, okay, bring it in, take a look. So when she brought it in, she went to bring it in. The following day, she actually gave me a call. She said, I'm scared. I just pulled off the exit and it feels like my car's all over the road. I don't know what to do. So she did the right thing. Well, first she asked me if it was okay to drive it. I'm like, I don't know about that. So she did the right thing. She had it towed to me and it had 2 broken wheel studs and the remaining 3 lug nuts were very loose. So she's very fortunate that she had AAA come and take her vehicle on a flatbed. Now, I'm going to show you what can happen. Okay, so what can happen is, even though the wheel has been tightened up snugly around the outside of the hub here, so you've got this part of the wheel that needs to be centered over this part of the spindle. Now, what can happen is, even if these are torqued evenly, if it gets bound up on this edge in any way, it can slowly work its way loose. So you never know if it's all the way totally seated in there. So it's real important that you pay attention to that advice. Have your vehicle, have your lug nuts retorqued after so many miles. Now, in the beginning of the video, you can see a little sticker I got on my door. I don't know if anybody reads it or not, but I do recommend it. It's hard to remember everything. But, oh, in case you're wondering, I am about to put brakes on this vehicle. They're metal on metal. That's a whole different story. But, so, she did not take the advice of the tire store. She had her tires changed over. I did not change her tires over. I just want you to know that. She had her tires changed over. She did not go back to have them retorqued. She wishes she did. So if you don't have the time to do that and you're physically able to, look up the torque spec on the lug nuts for your vehicle. If you have a torque wrench, fine. Even if you just check them by hand, you'll have the tools in your spare tire kit. At least you should have. That's a good thing to always check. But make sure you check those lug nuts if you can't get it back in to have them do it. Anyway, till next time, I hope this little bit of advice has saved you from having your wheel fly off while you go down the road, because nobody wants that to happen, do they? Until next time, like, subscribe, and tighten your nuts. See you later.